Hello everybody and welcome to Devotion to Writing, the channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice and to realize that you are creative abundance. Our life is an offering back to life for all the expressions that life gave us temporarily. Jean Klein. I wanted to talk about writing as an offering today. In Thailand some years ago, I went down to the temple by the Pai River to photograph and write. It was dusk and I was seated inside the temple grounds with my back against the wall when I saw a woman approach and enter carrying something in her cupped hands. She crossed slowly through the courtyard, intentionally but very relaxed. And she approached a statue on the opposite wall where she bowed and whispered a prayer, and then she placed what she'd been carrying at the feet of the statue and backed away, bowing again, and then she turned and went out. I was very curious about what she had brought, and so I got up and I went over and saw that she had placed a banana leaf that she'd folded into a bowl. And in that bowl, she placed a portion of steamed white rice, some chopped green vegetables, and a few slices of mango. And all of this she topped with a single mint leaf. It was all so beautifully presented. Back at the guest house, I asked the owner why the woman had left this. And the owner told me that, people do this. They offer a gift of usually food to spirit, to the invisible powers that aid us. That people will leave a portion of their labor or their earnings or something that they've received in abundance as thanks, and also to ensure future blessings. So this got me thinking about writing and our creative process and what we do creatively, what we make creatively as an offering. And how can we carry our lines, our sentences, our pages, our paintings, our dance, or whatever we're doing to the altar of the mysterious power that creates through us and creates with us. And offer this as a way to acknowledge our gratitude for the assistance and also to ensure creation's continued flow through us, right? To give our creative work as a gift to this invisible power, a very humble offering of the shape that we made with our hearts today. So thinking about, we come to the page, we do the best we can, we write what we can, and we consider this an offering, just a humble offering of what we could make, acknowledging that we make it with assistance, that we make it in coordination with something that is not us, that is beyond us. Lewis Hyde writes in his book, The Gift, "To bestow one of our creations is the surest way to invoke the next." Thinking about it in this way, creation is reciprocal. That the more we create and give, the more we find we have to create with, the more that creation wants to use us to create. We become a vessel through which the immaterial seeks and finds material form, right? This cycle of reciprocity, we can find it throughout systems of life on the planet. Birth and death is a cycle. We can even find this, of course, the same idea in all our great stories, that one has to give away everything or give away a portion of their riches, and in return, when they do, they receive abundance. So this is what I offer today, this idea that our writing, what we create today is just a humble offering to that which assists us in creating, to that which moves through us, to that which enlivens us, invigorates us. So consider that. And here is a prompt, because I like to leave you with a prompt, get your writing, get you moving on the page. So the prompt to kind of go with this is, what do you have to offer today? And think of this in terms of your actions or gestures, sincerity. What can you give? Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. If you found this helpful, useful, share it with a friend, share it with somebody you care about. And also, please subscribe. That way you'll know when I send out more videos and make more videos. Also, if you'd like to learn more about the workshops and retreats that I lead through Devotion to Writing, you can go to devotiontowriting.com, or you can follow me on Instagram, Devotion to Writing, and also on Facebook. Thank you very much. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you write deeply. I know you'll write beautifully. Blessings.